So I've got the Edge Joystick here, which is an accessory for both the NES Classic Edition and the Wii U. And this is basically a NES Advantage for the newer systems here. And so in the box you get this joystick here. Comes with a bonus cheat book. And just like the NES Advantage, it does have a 9-foot cable, which is a big plus over the NES Classic controller. And you do get two types of joysticks in here, so if you don't like the ball kind, that, like on the original NES Advantage, and want more of an arcade feel, it has that. It has the turbo buttons. These are more like arcade buttons than the original NES Advantage. Oh, and there's actually a slowdown button too. So, let's see what we got inside here. And well, dropping everything here. Alright, so it's just plastic holding it in there. Not so much cushioning. Let's put the box aside. Here's an instruction book. Look at that. And, oh wow, this code book's actually pretty hefty there. And pretty sure I know most of these, but it'd be nice to go in here and refresh my memory. I used to have that Mega Man 2 code memorized. It's a neat little addition there. And let's see, you have the joystick here, you have the pretty long cable there. And the first batch of these didn't have this adapter, and it had a little bit of trouble connecting to the NES Classic there. So with the newer version, it has the adapter here, and this should work properly with the system. And inside here is the other joystick head there. So I could put that on there, makes it a little bit taller. So it's pretty clicky there. This thing is pretty light. So those lock into place. Oh, those feel like the original one. Select, start, the slow button. Oh, that doesn't lock down like the other one. And then I guess this reverses the B and A. And in comparing to the original NES Advantage here, which is significantly heavier, the joystick on this is a little smoother. It's not clicky like this. The buttons are softer and more firm. These are a little bit tighter. On the original NES Advantage, the button on top had 1 or 2 players, so when you had this plugged in, you could swap players by using just one of these. So in comparing these, this doesn't have the 1 or 2 players since this is only 1 player. So select, start, slow. The slow button on the NES Advantage actually locks down like the turbo on these. And over here there's the swap B and A button there, which the original NES Advantage doesn't have in. Yeah, let's give this a try. Alright, so I've got the Edge Joystick here hooked up to my NES Classic, and let's start off with a little bit of Super Mario Brothers. I keep wanting to hit the slow button as the start button because that's what it was from the NES Advantage. Alright, might need a little more practice here. overall it feels really good. Whoops. So I could make my way through here. Nice and easy. Alright, so how about let's give this a try with Mega Man here. And Mega Man 2 is the first Mega Man that I played, and I did use the NES Advantage. And I found it really helpful with the turbo button for a shooter, because I don't think I would have been able to play it with the controller hitting the B button that much. Let's try Airman stage. Alright, so we got the turbo button on. You can see how I'm on the lowest setting, and as I turn it up, notice how it gets tighter, and when I have it off, you have to constantly hit that. So turbo definitely shoots it a whole lot faster than you could press it. Alright, so let me start with the low and increase it. And if I recall, slow doesn't work here because it brings the menu up. Yeah, it doesn't work with that because the actual pause is with the select button, I think. No? That might have been the original Mega Man. But let me keep turbo on the shooter here. And for a game like Mega Man, you want precise controls, because one little slip and you're dead. And this game is all about timing. And looks like I'm doing pretty good so far. But yeah, so we got the Edge Joystick here. It works really well. I highly recommend it.